the lighting ceremony. If you come early, they're passing out hats. Isn't that cool? They only had a limited amount, so I wasn't able to get enough for the whole family, but Joe liked that, so pretty cool. He caught one.
Got one for our daughter.
Yep, we need one more. I don't think Dice will wear it, but Joe and Drew probably will. If you've never cruised during the holidays, I highly recommend trying it at least once. It's a totally different vibe than a regular cruise. The ships will be adorned in holiday decorations. In fact, most ships start decorating late November, and many don't realize that the holiday fun starts right after Thanksgiving, so no need to feel that you need to be on board for Christmas Day. But the ships will have holiday festivities such as caroling, ugly sweater contests, visits by Santa or the Grinch, and you will also find Christmas and Hanukkah services on board. So definitely consider giving a holiday cruise a try. And remember, aim for experiences over gifts. And if you're looking for a trusted travel advisor who can help plan your holiday cruise, be sure to check the description box for my information. So the tree lighting ceremony was nice. They sang a few songs or what have you. We're just waiting. We have about a half hour for dinner. I don't think we're gonna go back to the cabin. Doesn't make sense to. So we're just gonna kind of hang tight till dinner time. I am a little hungry. But yeah, that's the thing about these smaller ships. I feel like it's really going to be a cruise to relax. There's not, I mean, there's stuff going on, but it's not like you feel like you have to get to here and there and all over. Everything is kind of right here. So I'm really enjoying that so far. We've only been on the ship a few hours, so excited to be on board, and yeah, we'll get to dinner here soon. So guys, one way to save money, well, initially you have to put out money, but if you ever gamble in the casino, you can win or have free drinks for your cruises. I didn't realize I had them for this cruise, and I didn't book them under a casino offer, so I'm thinking I earned enough points the last cruise. So instead of getting the drink package, spend a little bit in the casino, get some casino offers, and you'll get free drinks. So I'm on my way to dinner, so I just stopped in, sat at a machine, ordered a drink, grabbed it, and we're off to dinner. And also, so you know, the rule is that you're supposed to be playing at a machine to access your free drinks. It's not necessarily the truth. You can just sit at a machine and they'll come and get your card number and bring you free drinks. And then if you find a really good server, you know, you tip them or whatever, they'll just keep them coming. So, you know, that's a way, if you have to drink when you cruise, that's a way to do it pretty cheap. Alright, so the ship is full, so there's really no option on where you can sit. I spoke to the maitre d' earlier just to see that we weren't sitting at a shared table. Well, we aren't at a shared table, but we're at a table that really holds four, that they're making a fifth person. We'll make it work, but they said the ship is at full capacity, so we can't move anyway. Hello.
Welcome aboard. Welcome to Inspiration Dining Room. I would like to introduce myself and my team. My name is Johnny. I'm one of your people here together with John.
Yeah, no clue why he brought so much butter. He brought us 7 things of butter. And the cranberry bread that we normally like, it was different tonight. It had no cranberries, and I think it was just wheat bread. So hopefully that's not a sign that the food quality is diminishing. I know I've been hearing that a lot. We've been cruising, and like I said, the food has never been that great to us. It's been decent, but yeah, no cranberries in the cranberry bread might be a sign. Let's see. Yeah, they've changed up the calamari on Carnival recently. This came out hot, which is great, but they're real thick and like very dense. Like, I don't want to say rubber because they're not rubber, but yeah, the calamari's definitely changed. So if you watched our Carnival celebration vlogs, you know that we had a terrible time at Cucina del Capitano on that ship. It wasn't good at all. So I ordered chicken parmesan here in the dining room that they had that's on Cucina del Capitano's menu. Now there's no cucina on this ship, but I guess, you know, to maybe add more to the menu, they offered the chicken parmesan. So we're gonna give it a go. It actually looks pretty good. So it's better than what we had on celebration, but it's just all right. It's not all that. It's time they retire this song. I even know the dance moves.
Make sure you finish your drinks before you come down to the gangway.
Alright, made it for the fun aboard.
So basically, folks,
Fun aboard on a
finish your
short
breakfast,
show.
finish your lunch, finish your drinks before you come down to the gangway.
Get
Do
your
not
raffle
be that
ticket.
person, which I have seen. I have seen someone walk down to the gateway with a Ziploc bag filled with scrambled eggs and bacon. I wish I was kidding, but I have seen it. Don't be that person. Finish your breakfast burrito, finish your cocktail before you come down. Now, who wants to go to Pirates Cove Beach with drinks and lunch? Who wants to go on beach day tomorrow? Okay, so I've chosen a ticket. There it is. It's a yellow ticket. 5, 4, 4, 7, 1,
Nope.
4. At the top, yes, congratulations. You are going to the beach, my friend. Make some noise for our winners up there.
Alright, didn't win a raffle this time. It's all good. But yeah, we had dinner, and dinner was okay. Service was just extremely slow. So really slow. Food was alright, but now I don't know what we're gonna do. I think I'm gonna take Drew to his teens club, get him registered, and we'll play by ear. Go give the casino a little try. We'll see how this goes. Ron is so happy that he's finally gold. We've all been gold. We're gonna be platinum here soon. So, hello.
research.
So yeah, he's excited about that. All right, so we pressed our luck in the casino, just a few dollars, didn't win anything, so we're done. Picking Joe up. I'm tired. I'm gonna pick Joe up and get the cabin situated. So yeah, but so far so good. Gonna pick up Joe Marie and we're gonna call it a night. The boys have 11:30 curfew. They know the rules. They'll check in. Now this is gonna be the one issue of having a shared cabin, is that normally they would just pop in our cabin to say that they're in for the night, but now we gotta have them come in. They probably gotta turn lights on, you know, this and that or whatever, so hopefully it doesn't disrupt our sleep, but we'll see. But it's been a great day. I'm gonna go ahead and close this off, and tomorrow we will be in Freeport. So the nice thing is that we won't be there until 1:30. So if we decide to get off, we don't have to, you know, rush getting up and all that. So that's kind of nice. But please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe. We have a lot more cruise content coming. We're so excited for our cruise plan for 2023. So you definitely want to be along for the ride. So we will see you guys tomorrow. All right, I probably closed the vlog a little too soon. I want to show you guys what the cabin looks like with for five, how they set it up at night. All right, so let's check this out. Just for a second. I just want to show how they set up for 5. Oh, but it's not set up for 5. It's only set up for 4. Okay, so I think we got to call our room steward because he didn't set up Joe Marie's bed. But yeah, it definitely works. All right, so another room steward came in to set up the cot. So it's a cot for the 5th person. So I don't recommend trying to have 5 people in the cabin if you're talking 5 adults. It's not going to work. So it's like a rollaway bed, a cot of some sort. It has a really thick pad on it, but it's not a standard size. So it's for someone that's shorter. I'm guessing a child, but here it is. So yeah, it's perfect for Joe Marie. So we're waiting on them to bring linen and pillow or whatever for her. So just keep that in mind. So like I said, it can comfortably fit probably 4 adults if you're going to climb up here. There is a ladder here if you're going to use the ladder to get up there on the bunks. I want to say one of the ships we were on, it might have even had, it might have even had the weight limit. I want to say it was like maybe 300 pounds was the max you could get up here. I wouldn't get up. I'm not 300 pounds, but I wouldn't get up there. But yeah, so that's how we're making it work. 5 of us in a cabin. Ron and I in the main bed. He's tired. Joe Marie down there. I think we're going to put Drew up there and Dyson above us. So we'll make it work. Then also something else to consider having 5 in the cabin is that you can use the spa's showers that are in the locker room. So like in the morning, Joe and I will probably get showered and dressed here in the cabin, and the boys will take their things and go to the spa. And we are conveniently located right underneath the spa. We're on deck 5. The spa's on deck 12, but the elevators are literally right outside our door. So you just catch the elevator up to deck 12, right to the spa, and can shower there. And they had clean showers. We saw them earlier today when we did the tour. So clean showers there. So that's an option to save time as far as like getting dressed and all of that. So, or you could have some shower the night before, some shower the morning up, you know, so you can alternate it out, but it's going to work for us and it saved us a lot of money. So on that note, we are going to go to bed. We're just waiting on linen and we're tired, but thanks for following along and we will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Freeport.